Hello friends, welcome to the Technocrats Design and Job Consultancy. I am your teacher for mechanical design. Today I will show you how to assemble motor blower assembly in Catia V5. Okay, you can see on the screen motor blower assembly. We have already its parts and we will only see how to assemble these parts in Catia with applying all constraints. So let's start. Go to start mechanical design assembly design. Okay, this is a new workbench. First you will take existing components. This command you can use existing component. Click here and then click on this product. Okay, now these parts are available in my computer, so select all parts and click on open. Okay, all parts are open. Now all parts are merged with each other, so we require separate parts to assemble. So use this command. This is explode. Click on explode and just click on OK, and yes, you can see all parts are separated. Okay, names are not given for each part, so we will rename all the parts. So first we will rename assembly. This is product 3. Right click, go to properties and rename here. This is motor blower assembly. Okay, all parts are renamed. You can see this is blower casing, this is motor cover, this is rotor, this is blower base, this is motor, and this is shaft. So first of all, fix a part. Okay, I will fix this part. This is blower base, so use fix command. Fix component, click on here. Okay, then what is next step? You have to fit this blower casing on this blower base. So for that reason, two constraints are required basically. First, coincidence constraint from this hole which is provided for the bolt fitting, this hole and this hole, and other constraint is surface touch or surface contact between this bottom surface and the upper surface. So apply these two constraints. First apply coincidence constraint. Select axis of this bolt hole and then select axis of this bolt hole. Okay, now use contact constraint. Select bottom surface of this blower casing and top surface of this blower base. Okay, now update. You will see that both parts are constrained correctly. Okay, now we will fit or fix this rotor into this assembly. Okay, we will hide this blower casing temporarily, so hide this, and now we will fit this rotor into this assembly. So for this reason, the axis of this rotation and axis of this blower base are same, so apply coincidence constraint. Select axis of this rotor and then select axis of this base. Okay, this is first constraint we applied. Update. Okay, now two things are there. First is this direction should be opposite and this face should coincidence with this face. So select or use offset command. Offset constraint. First select this face of rotor and then select this face of base. Okay, now here two directions are shown, but the directions are same. We need opposite direction, so you can change this orientation opposite. Okay, on what will be the distance? Distance is offset, distance is 0. Enter 0 and click on OK and update. You can see this rotor is correctly fixed into or constrained into this base assembly. Our next step is fix this shaft into this blower. Okay, the direction is correct. In same direction this shaft will enter into this hole. Okay, so apply first coincidence constraint, select axis of this shaft and then select the axis of this rotor. Okay, update this. Now this shaft is coincidence with this. Now what is the orientation, what is the offset distance? You can see there is a groove in the shaft. Okay, this groove will be inside of this rotor. Okay, so we are using offset constraint. First we will select the face of the groove, inner face of the groove, then we will select the inner part of this rotor. Okay, the offset distance is 0 and orientation is same, both direction should be same. You can see in the green color directions are shown and both directions are in same direction. Okay, click on OK, update. Okay, this shaft is also fixed. Now next step is fix this motor into this shaft. So you can see the direction is opposite, so we have to rotate this motor. So instead of rotating we are using the offset constraint command. First we will coincide this motor with this shaft, so use coincidence command, coincidence constraint, select axis of this motor and then select axis of this shaft. Okay, now update. You can see now motor is coincidence with this shaft. Now we need the direction of this motor is opposite, and another thing is this end shaft face should coincidence with this motor face. So use offset constraint command. First select the outer face of this motor and then select end face of this shaft. Okay, you can see there is a direction, we need opposite direction, so change the orientation here, opposite. Okay, you should realize here that direction should be opposite in green color. Okay, offset distance is 0, click on OK and update. You can see motor is correctly fitted here. Now last part remaining is the motor cover. Okay, basically here also two constraints are required. First is coincidence constraint, second is surface contact constraint or offset constraint. First to use coincidence constraint, select axis of this motor cover and the axis of this shaft. Okay, update. You can see motor cover is here and the direction is opposite, orientation is not correct. So use surface contact. First we will move here for our easy. Move in the y direction, use manipulation command, move in y direction. Okay, now we can select easily the surfaces. So select offset constraint, first select this face, second select this face, and you can see direction is same, so change this orientation to opposite and offset distance is 0 and OK, update this. Now you can see the cover is also fixed correctly into the motor, and also holes are matching, hold for bolt are also matching. So here our assembly is completed. Now hide this constraint for better look, and we will unhide this blower casing. Okay, now our assembly is complete. We will change the color of the all parts for better look. So first of all I am changing to isometric view. Now change the colors. So first select blower casing. I am changing this color. Then blower base taking same color. Then rotor taking some another color. Then motor taking a dark color, and motor cover same dark color, and shaft we are taking white because it is a chrome plated shaft. Okay, now our assembly is completed. I hope you understood better and you will try it your own. Please comment if you find any error or difficulty. I will try to solve it, and suggest me new tutorials for any workbench in Catia. I will come with new tutorial. Like this video, subscribe our channel and share it as possible. Thank you.